This tutorial demonstrates how to perform predictions using a multi-layer perceptron trained for regression using scikit-learn. Caution! In order to perform this tutorial, the machine learning training tutorial should have also been completed. A link to this tutorial can be found in the description. The data we use in this tutorial is taken from a recent model of small molecule adsorption to transition metal nanoparticles. Specifically, we use density functional theory calculated values for the adsorption energy of methyl, carbon monoxide, and hydroxyl radicals to silver, gold, and copper nanoparticles ranging in size from 55 to 172 atoms. A download link to this file can be found in the video description. In order to upload data, we first click on the Dropbox link in the left sidebar. This will bring us to the Dropbox page. We can then click the Upload button. Then, when the browser's upload window appears, we navigate to where we downloaded the file in Section 1 and select it for upload. If the upload was successful, the file will then be visible in the Dropbox. Next, we can create a new job by selecting the Create Job button in the left sidebar. This will bring us to a new job on the Job Designer page. First, we will give the job a friendly name, such as Python ML Tutorial Prediction. Then we will click the Actions button and choose Select Workflow. This will bring up the Select Workflow dialog. We then search for Workflow: PyML Predict and click on it to bring it into the job. The Job Designer changes now that our Machine Learning Predict workflow is selected. The Materials tab has now been replaced with a Dataset tab. Just as the Materials tab shows a preview of the materials the job will use, the Dataset tab shows a preview of the dataset once it is selected. To select a dataset, click the Actions button and choose Select Dataset. This will bring up a Files Explorer containing all files presently on the Dropbox. Choose the dataset we uploaded earlier. A preview of the data then appears on the Dataset tab, indicating that the data has successfully been loaded. There is no further configuration required. The workflow is already trained, and the prediction job is ready to submit. Click the check mark in the upper right of the Job Designer in the header menu to save the job. We now return to the Job Explorer page with the job in a pre-submission status. We can now run the job and wait for it to complete. After a few minutes, the job will complete. We can then visit the job's Results tab, where we will see a CSV preview of a file called predictions.csv. These are the row-by-row predictions generated by the model. Under the hood, this file is generated inside the Model Train and Predict unit. This concludes this tutorial on predicting new properties using scikit-learn.